Today on sale in Scuba with Reveille. There's a restaurant up there. Let's see what today we're going to go for a ride up the slough. The reason people love going up the slough, the Elkhorn Slough, is because you get to see the seals. There's pelicans, white and brown pelicans. There's sea otters, or all different types of bird life. And it's a beautiful area. And then as we get up the slough, there's a dock that we can go ahead and dock the boat. And then we'll go for a little walk. And also we'll try to collect some wild mushrooms. I've been doing that lately because they're very good for the immune system, to eat the mushrooms, and I just started getting into that, and you have to be very careful that you don't pick the poisonous one. I've been doing some research into that. And today is supposed to be a beautiful sunny day, and it's going to be warm, and hopefully I can get a little suntan while I'm out there. And so let's go do that today. The slough. This is where tourists will pay about $100 a day to get views of the Elkhorn Slough. And here we're able to do it free. And I'll show you around a little bit. It's a beautiful area. It's a protected wildlife refuge. So you'll see a lot of pelicans, seals, sea otters, other types of birds, seagulls. And it's just a beautiful area, relaxing and calm. You don't have to worry about the ocean waves. Just flip down under the water there. Otters early in the morning. It stays pretty calm here all day because it's not out in the open ocean. There's Jack. Seal and looks like a baby seal. Hi there, seal. Hello. Is that your baby? Baby, so cute. Here's a seal, couple seals there. We got geese. Geese right there. And you go through this little back passage. Usually you can see some seals laying up on the shoreline. Like right there, there's a seal and looks like a baby still. Hi there, seal. Hello. Is that your baby? Baby, so cute. So cute. There's another seal. There. Got some seagulls. Some geese up there. Got another 3 seals right there. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, getting in the water. our little dock. It's not the greatest dock, but it'll do. Otherwise, you're walking in the mud. And it goes all the way up here. I'm looking from the hills down onto the Elkhorn Slough. Beautiful area, all a natural reserve, and it's a beautiful day. There's a beautiful lake over here. Beautiful lake here. Jack, would you stop? Are you beautiful? Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go. Come on, Jack, let's go. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later. Bye-bye. See you later. You going back up with me? You're so pretty. Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Huh? You pretty? Jack, what you usually go to collect my wild mushrooms. I've been coming here for a few times now and have collected quite a few. I've been eating them because they're supposed to really help boost your immune system, especially now with all these colds that everyone's getting. You need help keeping yourself well, and here are the ones that I've picked so far. I'm going to try to keep filling up this bag. I'll show you what they look like when they're in the grass and how you find them. Got to make sure you don't pick the poisonous ones. Okay, so I just came upon mushroom here. See? Cruising down the slough, full speed. This little boat jams. Jack likes riding in the skiff. And we're just going to be heading back to the boat. And that was our tour of the Elkhorn Slough. I'm just heading back home. So this is the little channel. You stay between the green and red markers. They come up here. This is the